Zakes Bantwini has once again set social media buzzing, this time not with music but with a luxury purchase that has everyone talking. Hi there, welcome to Voice of Reality. Award-winning musician and producer Zakes Bantwini has reportedly added a lavish Mercedes-Benz worth around 6 million rands to his collection. Images and videos of the luxury vehicle quickly made their way onto social media, instantly drawing attention from fans and followers. While many supporters congratulated Zakes on his success and praised him for enjoying the fruits of his hard work, reactions online have been mixed. Some fans expressed excitement and pride, saying the purchase reflects years of dedication, global recognition, and consistent work in the music industry. However, others reacted with surprise, posting light-hearted comments and jokes, with some questioning how artists afford such high-end lifestyle and where the money comes from. The discussion has since grown into a broader conversation about success, wealth, and visibility in the entertainment industry. As the story continues to trend online, reactions remain divided. Admiration and a surprise all rolled into one. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about this video.